Hello, this is Fuchsia from Lune, and today I'm doing another acrylic pouring painting. As you can see, this is a round canvas and I used rainbow colors. I'm going to be doing a blowout technique with a straw. I've been experimenting with different pouring paints lately. The base coat is a custom mix scraped up from a prior painting, and all of the colored paints on this one are the TMOL or TMOL brand pre-mixed pouring paint. I got a set for super cheap around the holidays, but you get what you pay for, to be honest. But right now I'm laying the paints as evenly as I can around the circle. I started by laying the red in thirds, and then I put the green down in the middle, and then I filled the rest of the colors between the anchor colors. Once the black Cell Activator was down, I used a bent metal straw to blow it over the colors. They got a little wonky spacing wise, but it wasn't that big of a deal. I do love the convenience of just having pouring paints around. It lets me be more spontaneous since I don't have to mix them first, which takes forever. But they don't look the best when they dry, to be honest. In some spots it's really shiny and almost sticky. I'm hoping that a top coat of varnish will help even it out. I tried a resin on top, but this canvas is too thin and it warped a little while drying, so I don't want to risk it. I will say it's so worth a couple extra dollars to get a good stretched canvas. You can see I had to add more bits of paint here and there when I wanted to blow more. And after I was done blowing, I edited the edges, making sure they were covered. I also added more blobs of paint from the roll-off. I wanted the colors to really pop through the black. I think I have to call this one Queer Eye just because it reminds me of an eye. I've already gotten a request to do another one of these, so I should be able to improve upon this idea for the next one. I just want to say to our subscribers, thank you so much for going on this journey with me. I've had a lot of fun with it and really have appreciated all of the positive feedback. So here's the close-up with indirect lighting. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, it really helps. See you next time.